I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing simple cake of all time, my healthy and delicious olive oil cake. It's from my book Earth to Table and it is delicious. It's full of heart-healthy olive oil, full of monounsaturated fatty acids, vitamin E, vitamin A, antioxidants, and it's full of beautiful rich vitamin C rich oranges as well, which I love. It's become a Healthy Chef favourite at in our headquarters here. We have it about once a week. So firstly, I want to start off by combining my wet ingredients first. So it's 2 organic eggs. We've got half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. So make sure it's a nice light, mild flavoured olive oil, not a big heavy flavoured olive oil. I like Cobram for this one. So I'm just pouring that in. And half a cup of fragrant raw honey. You can also use maple syrup if you want. A nice generous splash of vanilla extract or vanilla bean paste. Now we've also got some milk. I've got some almond milk here, 3/4 of a cup of almond milk, and the zest of 2 oranges. So the zest is going to provide a beautiful flavour and aroma to this cake. All you got to do now is mix. So I'm mixing everything just by hand, just using a whisk until it's all combined. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the dry ingredients. So I've got about 1.5 cups of wholemeal spelt flour here and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That's pretty much it. And so we're going to mix that in. This makes the most glorious, moist cake that you'll ever eat. Okay, so this is the mix. Beautiful and silky. Okay, now I'm going to pour it into a baking tin. I'm using a gorgeous Bundt tin here. And we're going to pour it in ever so carefully. Wonderful. This goes into an oven, 160 degrees, for around 45 to 50 minutes. Wow, look at that. Moist, beautiful, luscious. You can serve it hot or cold. Enjoy, guys.